Plain cement concrete, PCC, is a basic construction material made of cement, fine aggregates, sand, coarse aggregates, and water. It is used as a base layer for flooring, foundations, pavements, and other structural applications where reinforcement is not required. Materials required: cement, ordinary Portland cement, OPC 4353 grade. Fine aggregates, clean, well-graded sand. Coarse aggregates, crushed stone or gravel, typically 10 mm, 20 mm size. Water, clean, potable water free from impurities. Admixtures, optional, for improving workability or setting time. PCC mix proportioning, standard mix ratios, 1:2:4. Cement, sand, coarse aggregates for general construction. Mix design can vary based on strength requirements, for example M10, M15, M20 grades. Water-cement ratio usually kept between 0.4 to 0.6 for optimal strength. Step-by-step PCC construction process. A. Site preparation. Clear the area of debris, vegetation, and loose soil. Level and compact the ground to prevent settlement. Mark the PCC layout as per drawings. B. Formwork installation. Install wooden or steel shuttering to define the PCC boundaries. Ensure formwork is rigid, leak-proof, and properly aligned. C. Mixing of concrete. Manual mixing 1. Spread measured sand on a clean platform. 2. Add cement and mix thoroughly until uniform color is achieved. 3. Add coarse aggregates and mix again. 4. Gradually add water while mixing to achieve a homogeneous, workable mix. Machine mixing, using concrete mixer. 1. Add coarse aggregates first, then sand and cement. 2. Dry mix for 1 to 2 minutes. 3. Add water slowly while mixing for 2 to 3 minutes until uniform consistency is achieved. Transportation and placing. Transport concrete using wheelbarrows or pumps for large projects. Place concrete within 30 to 45 minutes of mixing to prevent setting. Pour in layers not exceeding 1.5 feet and avoid segregation. E. Compaction and leveling. Compact using vibrators or tamping rods to remove air voids. Level the surface using wooden floats or screeds for a smooth finish. F. Curing. Begin curing after initial setting, usually after 6 to 12 hours. Methods: water curing, sprinkling or ponding for 7 to 14 days. Covering with wet hessian kept moist continuously. Proper curing ensures strength and durability. G. Formwork removal. Remove side supports after 24 to 48 hours depending on weather conditions. Avoid heavy loads on PCC for at least 7 days. 5. Quality checks, slump test, workability check. Compressive strength test after 7 and 28 days. Ensure no cracks, honeycombing, or surface defects. 6. Safety precautions. Workers should wear gloves, masks, and safety boots. Avoid direct skin contact with wet cement, it can cause burns. Ensure proper ventilation in enclosed mixing areas. PCC is a fundamental construction process that requires careful material selection, proper mixing, and effective curing to achieve desired strength and durability. Following standard procedures ensures a long-lasting and stable concrete base for further construction.